What are premises and conclusions? Have you ever wondered how arguments are built and what makes them convincing? Understanding premises and conclusions is key when preparing for the law school admission test, often referred to as the LSAT. Let's break down these concepts in a simple way. Premises are statements that provide support for a conclusion. Think of them as the building blocks of an argument. They are the facts or evidence that the author uses to justify their point. In the context of the LSAT, recognizing premises is crucial. They are usually presented as true within the argument and lead you to a specific conclusion. For example, if someone says, "All humans are mortal," that statement serves as a premise. It is a fact that supports the conclusion that Socrates is mortal. Now let's talk about conclusions. A conclusion is the main point that an argument is trying to prove. It is what the author wants you to accept based on the premises provided. In our previous example, the conclusion is that Socrates is mortal. There are two types of conclusions, main and intermediate. A main conclusion is the primary point the author is making, while an intermediate conclusion supports the main conclusion. When preparing for the LSAT, you will often encounter questions that ask you to identify which statements are premises and which are conclusions. This skill is essential for analyzing arguments effectively. Look out for specific words that can help you identify these elements. Words like because, since, and for typically introduce premises. On the other hand, words like thus, therefore, and hence usually indicate conclusions. Understanding how premises and conclusions work together is vital for success on the LSAT. It allows you to analyze arguments, spot flaws in reasoning, and construct strong arguments yourself. This skill is not just useful for the LSAT, it is also essential in legal studies and practice, where logical reasoning is fundamental. So, as you prepare for the LSAT, remember to focus on identifying premises and conclusions. This will not only help you on the test but also in your future legal career.